Hey, let's do squats. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Boop boop.
This is not Hannah Hart.
Boop boop. Bleh.
That will eat you.
No.
Okay. So, I'm here with another challenge video. That's all I do is challenges. The phone's ringing.
The phone is ringing.
I'm back. So, we have a challenge today, and we have a bunch of different ingredients.
It's called
Laid
the
out
Pair
here.
of Food Challenge.
Yeah, I guess that's what we'll call it.
We have 5 sweet, yummy ingredients and then some
5
bad
nasty.
ingredients. Except the pickles are good. I love pickles. So, first we have Frank's Red Hot Hot
We
Sauce.
need to tell them what we have.
Stuff. And we are not allowed to cook this.
No.
Can't eat it raw.
Okay. So, we have a cup.
We each have a
I
cup.
had her for 12 o'clock on the 13th is what I got wrote down.
So, we have all of our things.
Each gonna take 5 numbers, one person at a time, and when it's done, then we have to make a dish with the 5 ingredients.
Okay, we'll be right back.
So
We're back.
Can we be allowed to use cashews too?
No.
Gosh, no!
Okay. We have our numbers. Oh, one fell out. Oops. Number 10. Okay. Here we go with the first number. So the first 5 are bad. If you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it's bad. But if you get 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, it's good. So let's just.
I don't know.
8! Yes!
Oh,
I got the fudge covered peanut butter cookies.
Alright, let's see. I get number 3. Mac and cheese.
You're not allowed to cook it, and you have to use the cheese and the noodles.
It'd be better if that was Velveeta, because Velveeta has like the actual cream. That stuff is powdered.
I know. Five.
Oh, taco seasoning.
Taco seasoning.
now you aren't opening that stuff. You hear me?
Yeah, Grandma. Let's see if we have a can like that.
What do you mean? What are you doing? We're back again.
Our grandma told us not to use taco stuff, so we're using this.
Not
Substitute.
opening all that stuff and just pouring it.
We're not.
You know what we're doing.
We're 13 years old. We know
Woo.
how to handle stuff.
It's my turn now. I'm trying to get 2 numbers in a row. We can get a bad crap. 6.
Dang it.
7.
Oh, that one's actually not too bad. You can't use a lot of it though, or else it will become a bad ingredient. 4. Pickles.
Oh, you lucky little.
I like pickles.
I want to eat a pickle.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I just don't want the hot sauce.
I don't either. No one wants the hot sauce. Ah, come on.
Yes, she got the hot sauce.
Then
You
you
have
have
the
to eat
dummy?
it, so
No, I don't.
you should.
I want number 10. Come on, number 10. Number 9. I can deal with some crackers. PB&J crackers.
Each have
2 more good ones.
7.
Dang it! Come on, number 10, number 10, number 10, number 10, number 10. Ooh.
Hostess. I got the seasoning salt.
Okay. So, let's put our numbers over here just in case we get mixed up. And we are going to start our cooking.
We can only
Now.
use these 5 ingredients, but you can also use, say at the max, 1 slice of bread and milk.
Okay.
You ain't wasting red milk.
Okay,
I'm telling you right now.
let's begin. 3,
Turn it off.
2, 1, go!
Dun dun dun. Can you turn it off?
Now,
What? But I don't even know what I'm gonna do.
the first few seconds we have to put on.
I will open this so, yeah.
Yeah, alright. Switch.
Do I have to use the sprinkles?
This one's not open either.
Ha. Stupid sprinkles.
This thing is impossible.
No.
Okay,
Pop it in my nails.
there's one missing in there and it wasn't open. Oh, here's 4. Okay, let's just put these up. We'll be back when we're about halfway done. We're back. And then we're at the halfway point. So far, I have used the graham crackers, the Hostess brownie,
What graham crackers?
and the cookies, or the little peanut butter cracker things.
Wait, ain't nobody had graham crackers?
So that's what it looks like. Show them what you've made.
Absolutely nothing.
Okay, so, let me smell that. It smells like cereal.
I don't know, but it does not taste like cereal. And it's a very strong hot sauce flavor, even though I didn't use very much.
Why do you think it's called hot sauce? I'm gonna taste mine. Okay guys, this is the tasting of what I have so far. That's actually quite good.
So what's the name of your dish, Kayla? It's called Your Dad's Here.
Hi Dad. Hey, would you like to be in my video? Actually pretty good.
What you guys doing?
Making a video for my YouTube channel.
What are you making?
In the
Don't
challenge
even
video,
know.
we had to pick 10 ingredients. 5 of them were good, 5 of them were bad, and we had to do the best we could to make something that tastes good. Okay.
Why don't you taste this, Dad?
Don't.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna slice up this pickle. It's kind of like some
Good thing that was empty.
pickle
I don't, I was
fries.
gonna ask you guys, you got anything going on?
Yeah, get together, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
I think I made some
Yeah.
pickle squares fries. I was
making-
using the wrong part of the knife.
I'm making a very elegant
I don't know if I'll have
pasta
Abby with
dish.
me.
Very elegant pasta dish.
Oh my goodness.
What?
I'm scared. I'm not trying yours.
You're not trying anymore?
Just some pickle strings. Okay. We need the plate in 2 minutes.
No. The toast wouldn't be done in the toaster oven.
Oh my god.
It so really was.
Sure, well, you wanna,
Hey.
I don't have Abby on Father's Day at Freddy's weekend, she was talking to me about last night, it sounded like they got something going on in the forest.
Oh, really?
Like, I don't go, and we're going. So, weekend, Baker. Celebrate Father's Day, whatever, whatever, no time to me.
Okay. So. I've used everything.
Okay. Here we go. Okay, we are at the final end of everything. And I don't know if I'm ready for this.
I'm not either.
I think I actually have a pretty decent dish.
Speak for yourself.
Let me just load. A little bit of that on there. This is a very light meal. I think I might actually take this to the campground and eat it.
Yeah, because yours is actually appetizing.
I mean, I don't know what about them pickles.
I want all that stuff put up.
Grandma,
We're not done yet.
once we are done, clean it up. Hang on, I put the garnish on mine.
Ugh. So then we're gonna clean up and then show you our dishes. We're back.
We just asked people which looked more appetizing. They didn't have an answer.
So
I'm just gonna.
show them. You don't tip it. Hers. And then this
I don't want to eat that.
too bad is mine. So we've got my fried pickles and some stuff like that. And yeah. So now we're going to take them. Oh, you're eating yours already. I need a knife to cut mine out. Yeah. Is that toast good?
It's basically just a piece of toast with brownie on it.
I'm gonna try it.
I could try
Ugh,
it.
that does not smell good. I don't like it. So I'm gonna take a piece of the small one with some seasoning. I can smell it.
Yeah, I'm not eating that.
Why not? Do it. Do it. Chug,
Hot
chug,
sauce.
chug, chug, chug,
I
chug,
can't,
chug,
no.
chug, chug, chug. Okay, I'm going to try the cooked pickle with seasoning first. Basically just looks like a slab of jelly with stuff on it. Okay, here we go. One. Stop eating my food. It's good. Stop. Okay, 1, 2, move. I'm after under the trash can. 1, 2, 3.
Babe.
It's not that bad.
Imagine that could have been taco seasoning.
It's not that bad. It's just really spicy.
Yeah, I don't want it.
It's actually really good. It's just super spicy.
Yeah, goodbye.
Okay. Now, I'm going to try my delicious thing that I've already tried. Bottoms up.
Especially the fact that those noodles are raw. I can't eat it. Looking at it is making me sick. You can get a bite down without gagging. I'll try the soup that it's sitting in. Noodle, brownie, and soup.
I'm going to try the soup first.
I'm gonna do you're gonna puke.
Nope, I'm not
Yep.
doing it. I'm not doing it.
So say farewell. Farewell forever.
Oh, I know why it was spicy. Because I dragged it in the hot sauce. Let's try a piece that was not dragged in the hot sauce.
Goodbye forever. Is it good? Still spicy?
It's not spicy. It's really good, actually. It's just salty.
That seasoning probably has some salt in it.
It does. It's not that bad. It's just salty and a little bit spicy.
Yeah.
How could you not eat that? I'm gonna put this in a bag and take it to Phil.
Phil will eat anything, I guess.
Okay. Well, that concludes the video for today.
I'm never doing that again.
And I'll see you next time with another video. Probably a challenge, because that's all I ever do. Say goodbye to my pickle of death. Happy
Yeah, did I
Christmas.